Mahalo. After 1 week na transfer yung talong natin, ganito nakataas. 1 week lang yung after transplant. So hopefully next week taas na to, baka ganito nakataas yan next week. Next week to makikita mo, malaki na to, masaya, masarap na tingnan mataas na to nga. So usually ang talong is 45 days na mulaklak na. So simula itanim, simula transplant 45 days. So ngayong mga January 2nd week nun mabulaklak na to, at saka mabumulaklak at mamumunga na to.